Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our lecture and video from this course. In this video we'll talk about how to create and set up your eBay account. So right now we are on ebay.com. It's actually very simple to do that, so do not panic. It's actually very easy, but I want you to have an overview of the process by having like an over shoulder view at what exactly I am doing, so you can do exactly the same thing for your own account. So right now I will create a new account. I will go here and press the button register. You see you have two options: sign in, which is for users that already have accounts, and register, which is for new users. So we'll press the button register because we want to create a new account. We will type in our email address that we want to use. Okay, just a second. Then we will create a password. So I think it's okay right now. Then we have to put our first name and last name. Okay. Then our telephone number, because we will get a PIN code from them. Okay, just a second. Let's see. Hey, I can't find. Just a second, guys. So here it was. We passed it, Romania. Okay, so let's type my telephone number right now. And we'll press button register, okay? And now we wait. Do you want Google? Okay. Nope, we don't want to save it. Customize your username. Why is very important? This is a very important setting here to customize your username, and we will discuss about it at this point. It's not such an important setting from the standing point of a buyer, of you as a buyer, but it's more important from the standing point of you as a seller. We are talking about credibility here. So people react in a very interesting way when they are seeing different types of username, and practically when they will see a username that is more professional, obviously it will be more trustworthy in front of them, and they will be more likely to buy from that seller in the detriment of another seller. So you should take care of this from the beginning. Set up a username that it's catchy, it's easy to remember, it sounds professional, and it's trustworthy. Okay, so for example, because you will be selling different types of products, you can do something with professional deals, or for example, I have on one of my accounts smart deals. So you can juggle with different type of words like this, but it needs to sound somehow professional and to send out the message that you are selling different things at very good prices, and you are also trustworthy in the same time. Okay, so I hope all of this makes sense for you guys, but I think you got the idea mainly. Okay, so right now let's get back to our account. We will press the button continue, and we are now having an account, and we are logged into our account here on eBay. Now what you will do right now, because we are again on the front page, but the difference right now is that we are logged into our new account, we will go to my eBay, and we will go here to the option selling, and we will press this option. Okay, selling. Okay, so after we have pressed the selling option, now we are into our seller dashboard, into our seller account, and we have created our account on eBay. Now, thank you very much, guys, for your attention, and I will see you in our next video and lecture where I will show you exactly how you need to set up your account in order to maximize your sales and profits, and to avoid making different types of mistakes that can actually cost you money and time, and you don't want to make them. Thank you very much again for your attention, guys, and I will see you into our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from this course. You have seen in the previous lectures and videos how to set up your eBay account. It's actually very easy. Now let me show you some things that you can create in your eBay account, that you can set up as options, as preferences into your seller dashboard and eBay account, so you can practically maximize your sales and also avoid some mistakes that would cost you a lot of time and also can cost you a lot of money. So let's dive in the information. So right now I'm logged into my account. This is the previous last part that you also have seen in the previous video. So we are logged into our account. Now if we go here with our mouse over this option, the account option, we will have an option here, seller dashboard, a button. Okay, it's like a drop down menu. We press this button, seller dashboard, and for me it redirected me here into this seller dashboard. So right now if you will press this button here, seller dashboard, okay, and after that you will go here to seller account, it will redirect you to this page. Okay, so some of your information is not available at this time, please try again later. Your account has not been created, so your eBay account has not been activated yet. Why? Because you don't have a debit or credit card that has been posted to the account. So first things first, you need to add a debit or credit card to your account, okay? And also confirm your PayPal account, which you will do by going here at this option in the menu. Sorry, not this one. Let's go back. Okay, PayPal account. So new to PayPal or already have a PayPal account. Now it's your option. You can use your already existing PayPal account. I guess you probably have an existing PayPal account to buy and sell stuff online. And if not, you can practically go and sign up for a PayPal account directly from here. Okay. And after you will have all of these options set up, I will show you exactly which are the options that you need to set up on certain specifics so you can maximize your sales and practically avoid making any mistakes that would cost you money and time, as I've told you before. Thank you very much, guys. So keep in mind, you need to add the credit and debit card so your account can be actually created and confirmed, and also create the PayPal account if you do not have one, or link your actual PayPal account here if you have one. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in our next video and lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our newest class. I am very excited and very glad that you have decided to join me in this class. Thank you for that, and I assure you that you will learn some very interesting things in this class and an absolutely new business model that you can use from today with zero financial cost to start to make money online right away and to build a business online. So our class, it's called 3 Ways to Make Money Online with Arbitrage. I will tell you immediately what arbitrage means and why we will be discussing 3 ways of using this type of business to make money online. There are even more than that, but we will discuss 3 main ways that I found to be the simplest out of them all, and practically can generate a very fast income from you, even from the first few days up to a month since you start this new business model. So let's dive into the information. First of all, let's start with the beginning. We will have a short introduction, and first of all, I want you guys to understand exactly what arbitrage means, because this is very important. So arbitrage is the practice of taking advantage of a price difference between 2 or more markets. So striking a combination of matching deals that capitalize upon the imbalance, the profit being the difference between the market prices. This is a definition according to Wikipedia. Probably I've lost you somewhere along the way. If I would have heard this definition for the first time for arbitrage, I would have probably understand like nothing. But it's actually very, very simple, and let me explain you in the next slide how this exactly works. Arbitrage. So we have a product, okay, let's say we have an iPhone or a Samsung phone or anything like that, okay, it doesn't matter. We have a product that is sold in 2 marketplaces, market 1 at $25 and market 2 at $37. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is practically buying from market 1 the product and selling it into the market 2. We are actually profiting from the different price points of the 2 markets, which will be our profit. Obviously, price market 2 minus price market 1, which is actually $12. That will be our profit. So it's actually a very, very simple business model, and the classic profit formula, buy for less, sell for more, and you will get a profit. Okay, that is what arbitrage is in economical terms. Now, Let's see what types of arbitrage we will discuss in this course and class. First of all, we will discuss about arbitrage for physical products. So like the example I just gave you with the iPhone, but it can be practically related to any type of physical products. I don't know, even shampoo if you want to, or anything that it's a physical product. Then we will also discuss about arbitrage for digital products or services, which actually it's a more new type of arbitrage, to say so, but it's getting more and more traction, and it's very useful, and it can be a very lucrative business model. Now, how is this possible? Okay, how can we practically use this business model, and why especially we can use it right now, and why we should take advantage of this business model? Well, first of all, it's a model of business that can be done without upfront financial investment. You don't need money to start with. I'm one of the adepts that every business should start through the lean startup methodology, and if you can start a business without any upfront investment, that's even better. And that's all possible because the digital era that we live in, okay, these practically differences that exist between marketplaces and so on. If you think about it, maybe 25 years ago, this couldn't have been possible, okay? If you even think about it, even more than 25 years ago, most of the billionaires on the planet were people that were over 50 years old, okay? And now a lot of the billionaires from around the world are actually people from the high-tech internet business models, okay, that started with actually no money at all, and they are billionaires under 30 years old. That's because 30 years ago you needed a lot of money to start a business, and nowadays you actually don't. You can start from scratch with absolutely nothing in a dorm room, exactly like Facebook started, okay? So this is possible because you don't need any upfront financial investment. So it's actually a business model that it's accessible for absolutely anyone from anywhere in the world. This is very important. Now, the multitude of online marketplaces that have appeared in the last 10 to 15 years allow us to profit from different price points for the same products. Why? Because we find marketplaces that are based in India, in China, in Europe, in the United States, in Africa, and throughout all of these different countries and of these markets, there are different price points, okay? So for example, a product that in the United States it's sold for $15, it's very likely that in Europe can be sold for $20, but in India it's sold for $5, and maybe in Japan it's sold for $25, okay? And we can easily profit and juggle with these prices, so we can actually take a profit from this, okay? Now, sourcing products is also easier than ever because of the business-to-business online marketplaces. So if we go 20 years back, it was also very hard to find products, okay, that you can sell. Now it's very, very easy because we have all these business-to-business online marketplaces where we can find suppliers from all around the world, okay? That makes it very, very easy for us to find products that we can sell to clients in different marketplaces. Thank you guys very much for your attention. This was all for this introduction. I'm looking forward to see you in our next video and lecture, which will be very interesting. So stay close, and I will see you in our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video from our class 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about so far physical products arbitrage, okay, how to leverage different online marketplaces, buy a product from a place for a cheaper price, sell it on another marketplace for a higher price, and making a profit margin. Right now we are going in a totally different direction. As in what we are selling, we are going for digital products. We are skipping the part with physical products in this lecture. So this is another way of doing arbitrage online, and in my opinion, or let's say in my preference, this one is the best because when you have digital products, everything it's much more simpler, okay? You don't have to ship anything, you don't have, okay, to see if your product has actually reached your customer and other things like that, because everything is digital. You can send it through the internet. It's actually much more easier in my opinion, but both of the business models are very lucrative. This is just another way for those of you who prefer to sell digital products, okay, who prefer to do arbitrage with digital products. Now let's see exactly what's this digital products arbitrage all about. So let's dive into the information. Now we'll talk, as I've mentioned earlier, about leveraging digital products marketplaces, because exactly like we have physical products marketplaces, we also have digital products marketplaces. And for our examples here, but we have different types of digital products marketplaces, we will use Fiverr and SEOclerks.com, which are two online marketplaces for digital services like social media accounts management, logo design, okay, getting traffic to a video, and other types of services like that. So what you need to do is practically the first step, the first thing that you need to consider is the fact that you can and you will use microjobs marketplaces and other digital products marketplaces. So as I've mentioned before, we have Fiverr and we have SEO Clerks, and I will show you in a couple of minutes exactly how to use them, okay, how you can leverage and do arbitrage with these marketplaces. Now, you can sell either digital products like designs, ebooks, logos, okay, promotional videos, or you can sell services like social media accounts management, okay, like I've mentioned before, for example, monthly service of managing your Facebook page, or monthly service of managing your Instagram account, or monthly service of managing your YouTube account, okay. These are just a couple of examples of how you can do that. Now, here is an example. You can use, for example, SEOclerks.com to find microjobs that are only $1 and can be sold on Fiverr for $5. You won't make a fortune out of this, you will only make $4, but if you have 5 or 6 gigs like this and each of them sells like 2 or 3 times per day, you make the math and see exactly how much money you will make, but you'll make at least $35-40 per day, which is a pretty good amount, okay. You can use Fiverr to find people who are creating designs, for example, or portraits, okay, for only $5, and after that sell them on Etsy, which you saw, it's the marketplace for physical products, personalized products, handmade products, but they also sell like designs and other things like that. And you can find on Fiverr a seller that creates a digital design for only $5 and sell them afterwards on Etsy for $20. So you'll make a profit for $15, okay, that it's about $15. What else can you do? You can go on Fiverr, negotiate with sellers that you find there, for example, designers for logo designs or promotional video creators, and you can create an account on freelancer marketplaces like freelancer.com or upwork.com, okay, and practically you can sell those services there for a higher price. And on the other hand, you can practically buy those type of services from Fiverr, from the guy that you found and does a very, very good job, okay. And practically you will earn from this difference of pricing on freelancer and on Fiverr, okay. So this is another example of how to use this. Again, you can find great logo designers on Fiverr and sell logo design services for freelancer or other platforms, exactly the business model that I've mentioned you a couple of seconds ago. Now let me show you exactly how you can use SEO Clerks and Fiverr, because I just gave you that example. Let us go in the browser. Okay, so we have here SEO Clerks and we have here Fiverr. Now if we go, for example, and YouTube views on Fiverr, we will search for YouTube views. Okay, we will find here a lot of sellers for YouTube views. Okay, as you can see here, reviews, they got some reviews, not so many, but they got some reviews. Let's see average customer review, and for example, for this one we have 4K reviews. That's amazing. Okay, that's absolutely great. For this one we have 956. Okay, for this one, promote and rank YouTube video, we have 1K. and so on. Okay, so we have different types of promotional gigs here. Okay, and what we are looking for right now, for example, this one, it's relevant for us, 5,000 YouTube views. Okay, for only $5, we go to SEOclerks.com, and here we can search for YouTube views. Okay, and we press the button search, and we are waiting a little bit, and let's see. So we have, okay, 10,000 YouTube views for only $3. So if we are selling this service, we will make a profit of $2. Now let's see what other options we have. 1,000 to 1,500 for only $1. 5,000 for $5. Okay, we have the same price here. This one, it's actually very good. 7,000 plus YouTube views for only $2. Here we are actually making $3 in profit. And here's one that is very good. 5,000 YouTube views, non-drops, high retention for only $1. So this is absolutely amazing, guys. Here you make $4 in profit. If you sell like 4 like this per day on Fiverr, okay, you will make about $16-17 just like that. Okay, just by making an order like that. Very simple. Okay, just by selling a service that's here for $1 on Fiverr for $5, and you don't actually have to do anything. Okay, just to take the order and pass it on, and that's it. So this is a very good example, guys. So after you practically see which are the offerings here for this type of services, you can go here on Fiverr and you create a seller account. You just have to log in with Facebook. Then you will have here an option selling, and you can go to create here a gig, because this is what you need to create. You go and press create a gig, and you create the gig here. I will get you 5,000 YouTube views at only $5, okay, and so on. Then you type in the description, everything that you need to type in, and then you start to sell, and that's it, guys. Okay, very simple. You will go through all of these steps that you see here. I won't go through all of them right now in this video, because it's not the purpose of this video, but I just entered here to show you as an example. And after that, you publish the gig and start selling and start profiting. Very simple, guys. Okay, very simple, and I am looking forward to see your success with this. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this was helpful. I'm looking forward to hear your feedback about this and see your success with this business model with digital products arbitrage, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video and our next lectures. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from this class on 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked a little bit before about what arbitrage means. We have talked about physical products arbitrage in general, which are the options that we have, and we have talked about the fact that we will focus on leveraging online marketplaces in this particular class. So let's talk more about actually how we can leverage online marketplaces, and which is the step-by-step process that you need to follow in order to be able to do that. And it's quite a simple process, but you need to follow the steps so you can actually end up applying all the process and have listings, selling products, making sales, and then turning them into profits and so on. So the first step that you need to make, obviously, is to create your accounts on the online marketplaces you want to leverage. And I have some specifications here. There can be online marketplaces that are local marketplaces, for example, in your country where you live, or there can be global marketplaces like Amazon or eBay or AliExpress and so on. I would recommend you to start with ebay.com, because it's the best marketplace for arbitrage and dropshipping at a global level right now, okay? Not to mention the fact that you can actually access a very big database of consumers that they have in the United States, which is one of the countries where people spend the most in the world, okay? That's why it's a big advantage to start with eBay, because you have a huge marketplace with a very big database of consumers, and with practically very good buying habits and a big buying power too, okay? Now, the second step would be that you need to create your eBay account and configure your seller account. On ebay.com you will have a seller account, and I will show you exactly how to do that, okay, how your seller account should look like and how it should be configured. Then the first step would be the fact that that a lot of products you will list on eBay can be found and ordered on Amazon.com. And I recommend you to start with Amazon till you get some experience with the business model. So you will also need to create an Amazon account, okay? So practically the third step, if you want to call it so, is to create your buyer account on the other marketplaces from which you want to order your products and drop ship them directly to your client, okay? That would be the third step. Now the fourth step, or the first point, is is to find other places where you can get your products from, okay? For example, if you are living in the United States, it would be very good if you would look for other online stores like homedepot.com, bestbuy.com, kmart.com, walmart.com, and so on. Why? Because you can find your products at better prices than on Amazon. And also on some of the stores that have loyalty programs, you can create your own account, you can create your own loyalty card, okay, and you can earn more money, okay? You can have a higher margin of profit because you are practically earning points for each order that you make. You can get special discounts for some products, and that can turn for you into an extra couple of $100 every single month, okay? Which are very good money, of course. Now, my recommendation and sixth point, okay, or sixth step from our process, is to always look for new sources from where to buy the products, okay? You always find new online stores, new online marketplaces, look for new opportunities, okay? Maybe you can find a best-selling product that you have in a different place at a better price, and you can increase your margin profits, or at a better loyalty program and other things like that, okay? So always be open to new opportunities, seek out these opportunities, and you will be able by doing so to increase your profit margin. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this lecture was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now. Sorin. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and lecture from this class on 3 ways to do money online with arbitrage. We have talked a little bit about arbitrage in our previous lecture and video, and we have spoken about the fact that we will talk about 2 models of business with arbitrage in this course, practically the one with digital products and services and the one with physical products. And right now in this lecture we will talk about physical products arbitrage. We will go into more details and which are the options of business that we have into this type of arbitrage. So let's go on with physical products arbitrage. First of all, we have the first type of physical products arbitrage, which I personally like very much, is business to business physical products arbitrage. And let me just give you an example of this type of arbitrage, because it's a little bit different than what we will talk about in this class, but it can be a very lucrative business model. For example, you find a buying lead on a business to business online marketplace like ec21.com, which is a Korean online business to business marketplace, and you find here a buying lead that wants, for example, to buy 500 shirts per month at X price. You go to Alibaba.com, which is the biggest business to business online marketplace in the world, and find a shirt supplier and negotiate a monthly order of 500 shirts at X minus 20% price. What you will practically do in this situation, you will connect the 2 businesses and earn the 20% difference from the price. That means a 20% commission for you, which will be profit for you, which is the big advantage of business to business arbitrage, and why I like this business model very, very much, is the fact that it can be a monthly recurring income. Okay, why? Because most of the times between businesses, they practically have monthly transactions. Why? Because a certain business needs a certain material or a certain supply of something, okay, and practically needs it on a monthly basis to run its business. That means you will have on and on transactions again and again and again, which practically means for you a recurring income if you negotiate your deal right. Okay, now let's go on to the other type of arbitrage with physical products, which is the business to consumer or to client physical products arbitrage. This is practically the type of arbitrage that we will be focusing on in this class, and this is the one that I, in my opinion, suggest you to start with. Okay, and practically we will focus more on business to client online physical products arbitrage, so not practically the classical way. Okay, and the most popular type of arbitrage from the business to clients online sphere is drop shipping. It's by far the most popular. It has an ascending trend in the last couple of years. It's a business model that a lot of people from all around the world are using successfully to generate income. And practically, what does drop shipping mean, or how is it made? You order the products from a supplier, so you find yourself a supplier for a certain product, and your supplier will deliver the order that you make directly to your client, so to your own client that wants to buy that product. So the product never passes through your warehouses, okay, or through your hands or anything like that. You just order the product from your supplier and he will deliver it directly to your client. Okay, it's a very lucrative business model. You don't have to get stocks of products. You don't have to build warehouses or to rent warehouses or other things like that. Okay, that is the fact that I like the most about this business model. Now, we have two options to do this type of business to client online physical products arbitrage. Okay, first one is the fact that you can build your own online marketplace where you will sell your products at your specific price point. You need to be very good at marketing. Obviously, it's like building an online store. Okay, and after that you find your own clients for a higher price point than the one at which you are buying the products, and practically you will have a profit margin. Okay, but you have to find somewhere those clients, and that's where the marketing part comes in. Okay, that's the part where you actually have to be very, very good at. For example, a very popular business model right now, it's creating dropshipping online stores with Shopify, promoting them with Facebook ads. There are people out there which are very skilled in Facebook ads, and they are making actually a couple of $100,000 in profits per month. There are people that are actually at that level and they are marketing on their own. So they have built their own marketplace, their own online store. And just by using Facebook ads, they created a separated marketplace for their products at which they have set up a certain price point. This is the best way to go if you are very skilled at marketing, because you can actually take it to a whole new level and build your own marketplace. The thing we will be focusing on, and the one that anyone in the world can actually start with because you don't need any money, is the fact that you can leverage different online marketplace. Okay, this is the business model. Like ebay.com, for example, you can find products on Amazon at a certain price. For example, let's say $15, and on eBay those type of products are sold for $25. Okay, you can practically use the Amazon products to sell them on eBay, let's say at $23, and you make a profit of $8. Okay, so practically you are leveraging online marketplaces and you profit from the different price points that they have. Okay, that's about it, guys, for this lecture. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope that everything is much clearer for you right now, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye till then. Sorin. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and video. Right now in this lecture and video, I will show you how to create a new listing. Okay, how to practically put your first product out there for sale on eBay. We are right now into our eBay dashboard. Okay, into the selling account, so my eBay all selling. As I've specified and told you before, you in the beginning when you set up a new account, you will have a monthly selling limit, so you have up to 10 items and up to $500 per month, whichever comes first. Okay, so you will have these limits. After you pass these limits, or if you practically pass them very quickly, you can request higher selling limits. Okay, you can even call eBay and tell them, okay, look, sales are going very well, I need you to increase my selling limits because I make sales, I make the orders, and everything is okay. Okay, so you also can have a look at this, how selling limits work, so you can have an overview of exactly how these limits are put out there and which is the purpose of them. But the idea is that in the beginning, that's why I've told you that for every listing that you make, you will put only one product in stock, okay? Because you don't have so many listings and you don't have such a big value, okay? And you will also choose products that are maximum that you will sell for maximum $50, okay? Maximum. So why? Because you also need to sell them very fast. Now what you will do at this point, so after you have set up everything into your account, you will go here and you will have an option, sell an item. You will press this option, and for the sake of this example, we'll go to amazon.com and I will look for something which is called burger press in all departments, and we have different options here. And from what I've checked on eBay and Amazon, it's a good place for you to check out new products that aren't already sold by other sellers there on eBay. For example, what you will find on eBay is this type of press, but you won't find this type of press, okay? Or this type, silicone burger press. So what I will do is go here on the silicone burger press. Okay, first things first, I need to give it a name. I will just give it a name so I can create the listing. I press the button get started. Now what's very important is the fact that you can go to a site which is called titlebuilder.com, and here you will press title builder and describe your item into 4 keywords. I will copy paste silicone burger press here, and it will give me some ideas of keywords that I can use to optimize my listing. Okay, and here we will see some things. Okay, search barbecue, grill, so people are searching these things. And then we have extra, burger press, silicone. Okay, so I need to use all of these keywords, or as much as possible from them, okay, in order to create a listing and a title that it's optimized and gets in front of people. So when people will search actually for something, for any of these keywords, I have bigger chances that my product appears in front of in their eyes, okay, in their searches, if I will use these keywords there and optimize the listing properly. Okay, so whenever I want to create my title, I will come here to title builder. I will copy paste what's important for that product, okay, silicone burger press, and I can see everything that people are looking for related to this. Okay, so we have barbecue, grill, burger press, silicone. Okay, so I will use some of these things, okay, to create my title. So right now we will have silicone burger press for barbecue and grill, because these are things that people are looking for. Okay, then we'll have search categories, and we already have some things okay, that are suggested to us, recommended to us, and they are actually good. So we have home and garden, kitchen, dining, burger press, yard. Okay, and that's about it. Now we will press the button continue, and we wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and now we are at the next step. So we have our title, we have our categories, condition, okay, new, okay, the item is new, we have to select this, add photos. So the recommendation is, because I see a lot of people are practically adding only one photo to their listing, is to add at least 2 photos. And also the titles of those photos, when you save them to your computer and upload them here, should be optimized. For example, one photo should be called, okay, it should have the name silicone burger press 1, and the other can have barbecue grill silicone burger press. I give you an example, only if you upload 2 of them. And the recommendation is to upload at least 2 of them, as I've told you. Okay, so edit your photos. You have to practically keep in mind that you have some dimensions that you need to look for when you upload your photos. So you need to have your photos at least 600 pixels or with 400 pixels or something like that. Okay, when you upload them. Then you will have add item specifics. Okay, UPC, enter UPC. Which is UPC? It's like a code, okay, a barcode. Now what you will do is go here and you will have the ASIN number, okay, and you will paste this one here. So this ASIN number you will paste here, okay. Then you will have the type, barbecue, okay, apron, no, this is not for you. The brand, if you have any brand for this, and you type in the brand if it's a brand or not, okay. Just say silicone burger press by Silico, okay. So the brand is Silico, okay. The manufacturer does not apply. Here you have to press this does not apply, okay. Then you have color, model, if you have any model, country, region of manufacture. You can put China, probably it's made in China, okay. I can't find it, China. Okay, cancel, add your own item. Okay, if you want to add other things, types, okay, details, then you will have details. And in the details section here, you will copy these things here, okay, the details that you see here. And also if you have other details here, try to optimize this with the keywords that you have here in the title builder, okay. So check the details before and try to integrate these keywords in the description of your product that you create here. And practically you will only copy the details from here and from here if you can in this part here in the details, and that's about it. Then you will have choose a format price, fixed price. Remember to put at least 40% over the selling price that you have here on Amazon, which is actually $25, so probably it will be like $36.99, something like that, okay. Allow buyers to send you their best offers, nope, you check this off. Okay, eBay for charity, you can donate some of your fees here, okay. Donation percentage if you want to. I do not wish to donate at this time. You don't wish to donate at this time. Select how you will be paid, okay, PayPal, and that's all, okay. Require immediate payment, okay, yes, okay, this is correct. Add shipping details, US shipping, okay. So you will probably have UPS ground 1 to 6, okay. And for this type of item, as you can see here, I think we have free shipping, which is kind of cool, but you need to look for that, okay. Ship to, yes, I want free to, okay. You have free shipping for this, it's $24 and free shipping, okay. So you can add free shipping for this. And UPS ground, yeah, I think this is okay. So this is the standard services. Check one of the standard services. You can do standard shipping, free shipping, handling time 2 business days, okay. You don't want to put 1 because it's too small time. You don't want to put 3 business day because it's a too long time. Sell globally, yes. And then you will have package type, okay, dimensions. Then you will have to look here in your listing to see which are the packages dimensions, okay. Product dimensions, shipping weight, okay. So here are the things that you need to copy and put in there, okay. So you will have to go here and press 11, okay. The weight or less, okay, 1 LB or less, okay, yeah, it's 16 hours. Item location, so practically when you will add your first listing here, you won't have an address. You need to write in address for the United States of America, okay. It doesn't matter which is the address. You need to type here an address for the a real address for the United States of America. It doesn't matter what address it is, but you need to put that here, okay. So you practically have the location of the item, and that's about it. Add other details, so you don't need to add any details here. And your fees so far, and that's about it, okay. Now, which is the next step is press button continue. Okay. Description, I didn't press the description, I didn't have the pictures, so these are the things that I didn't add to this example. But after you add the description and pictures, you go press the button continue. Okay, and your listing will go live, and that's it, guys. So after that, your listing will go live and you will start to make views for your listing. People will start to watch it, and after that you can actually make sales. You will have your first product live for selling on eBay. So congratulations for you guys. Now your fees for the listing so far, because you will have that here, are these ones. Okay, 0.46 dollars. That means 36 cents actually. So you will have to pay these fees, but not right now on the spot to say so. Okay, but that's the fees of eBay for your listing, and that's about it, guys. Okay, it's actually very, very simple. After that, you will have your first product live and selling on eBay. So congratulations for you. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video and lecture, where I will show you exactly how you can find good products to sell on eBay or through other marketplaces through dropshipping. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture and the video from this class, 3 ways to make money online with arbitrage. We have talked about physical products arbitrage. We had an introduction into arbitrage. We have talked about how to leverage different online marketplaces, which is the process that you should go through in order to start to make sales and profits and to actually get this type of business going. And right now I want to give out some tips, okay, for using eBay as an online marketplace, as an online seller, because probably you will start with ebay.com, this type of business, and you should know these things when you start out, because it will help you to maximize your results and actually get results as fast as you possibly can. So let's dive into the actual information. So tips for eBay sellers. The first tip would be start with low priced products that sell fast, so you can build a good reputation and increase your seller limits. You will see that you have, when you start out on eBay, you will have some seller limits, and practically you want to increase those limits from month to month to month, so you can list more products in your online store and you can start to sell more at a higher value. Okay, but first of all, in order to get you going and get some traction with your eBay store, to say so, you need to find very, very low priced products. But I wouldn't recommend you under $10 or even under $20, okay, but to be lower price products so you can sell them fast. Okay, you need to have cash flow very, very fast. When you start, you can sell products in total value of maximum $500. So this is in direct relationship with what we have talked earlier. Okay, so go for the products ranged anywhere between $20 and $50. Okay, because if you go for example for a product that it's less than $10 or $15, your profit margin will be very, very small, and actually you will make very little money on that product. Okay, be sure that you can add a margin of at least 40% to sell a product, so you can actually earn money. Why is that? Because you will have some eBay fees for each product that you list, okay, that you need to pay to eBay for listing your product and selling that product into their marketplace. You will also have transportation or shipping for some of them, and with a 40% practically profit margin, you can make money, pay your fees and pay your taxes and still have a very good profit, net profit. Okay, that is the thing that it's of interest for you, because you are actually building a business. You want to earn money from this, so do not go for less than 40%. Now, other tips: always check your rating status. It's very important to obtain and maintain a top seller status. You will see, and I will show you an example, okay, in our next video, that people who actually have stores that are rated as top sellers will even be able to sell a product at a higher price point than everybody else. Why? Because just by the fact of being a top seller, they will build much more credibility in front of potential customers. So people will look at them with trust, and they will be much more likely to buy from that top seller than from an usual seller which has maybe a reputation that is not as good as the top seller's reputation. Okay, if you have done everything right from your first month and sold up to your seller limit, so you have passed that 500 practically turnover point, you can ask for the seller increase directly to eBay. You can even call to them. You can tell them, okay, look, I have passed my limits. I'm okay with all the orders. Can you please check out and increase my limits, because I want to add new products and I want to sell more, because it's also in their interest for their sellers to be able to sell more, because that's how they earn money, okay, from the fees that they get on the listings and on the product sales. Okay, so keep all these tips in mind, guys, apply them, and you will see you will get very, very good results with them. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye for now, and I am looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye again. Sorin here.